Nobody knew that I had it done. When I tell people, they're like, "You're joking. It doesn't look like it at all." Hi, I'm Parsa Rad. I offer experiences.
Parsa, how are you?
How are you? You good?
Nice to see you.
Could be a shaving experience, or you can have your hair cut. I think having hair, it's quite crucial. I went to the HI about nearly 2 years ago. It was extremely thinning. So I thought maybe I should try to control this before it gets worse. When you start having a little bit of bigger forehead, you want to kind of like bring this whole thing in proportion. And I knew that, the technology is getting better, the strip has gone away. So now it's one by one. And DHI, they were extremely good at this. They have got the highest technology and they were a fantastic team, and the journey was extremely smooth. Bring your noise cancelling headphones on. We've created this experience that is going to transport you wherever you want to go. I chose DHI given that I am in this industry. I had to make sure that if I go somewhere, it has to be a supernatural job. I didn't want to have a very big scar at the back of my head. I think the third day or fourth day, I was back at work. I didn't get any bruises, that's extremely important. Just look natural. We live in an era that everybody wants to look great and feel great. And it all comes down to confidence. And most of the time, we are the worst critic of ourselves. So one of the best things to do is just to look after yourself. People that would always respect you based on when they see who you are and how you articulate your words and how you basically sit down and explain what you do. So people, they buy into that, and that's what it's all about. Prevention better than the cure. I had a very natural hairline because for me it's all about trying to look natural, and everybody is completely blown away. That's how this looks so natural. Good to see you.
You too.
Likewise. Since I've had my hair done, I feel extremely confident, so you don't have to actually be so conscious about how you look.